Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel an Adobe Creative Cloud plan, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Adobe Creative Cloud website. Log into your Adobe account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look for the Plans option in the top menu. Click on Plans to view your current subscriptions. Locate the plan you wish to cancel. Next, click on the Manage Plan button next to your subscription. Scroll down to the Cancel Plan option. Click on Cancel Plan to start the cancellation process. You may be prompted to answer a few questions about your cancellation. Choose your reasons for canceling from the options provided. Proceed by clicking on the Continue button after selecting your reasons. Review any possible charges or fees associated with canceling your plan. If you wish to proceed, click on Cancel My Plan to confirm your cancellation. You will receive a confirmation message notifying you that your plan has been canceled. Check your email for a confirmation message from Adobe regarding your cancellation. Make sure to review any remaining access you may have until the end of your billing period. Log out of your Adobe account once you have completed the cancellation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.